Hey guys, this is SUHA. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very gorgeous, glamorous eyes and I'm gonna show you how to do this. So I went to a wedding the other day and I was wearing this eye makeup and I was so amazed how great it turned out. So I wanted to do a tutorial for you guys and show you how you can achieve this look. So this is going to be just eye makeup, not my base makeup. If you want to see how I did my base makeup, then do comment down below and I'll have a video on that as well. The best part about this eye makeup is that I only used one palette and that's it. It's gonna be a very fun video, so if you want to see how I do this look, then keep on watching and I'll see you next time. So starting off with my eyeshadow primer, I'm using Wet n Wild Photofocus eyeshadow primer and using it all over my eyelid. Second, I'm using this W7 banana powder and setting that eyeshadow primer with this powder so I have a nice base to work with. I'm using this Elsa palette and using a fluffy blending brush. I am just applying a transition shade. You can apply any shade that you have available. Now I'm going in with this teal color and applying this on the crease area with a much precision brush to get in that area precisely and just blending it out nicely. Then I'm using this grain shade and with a small blending brush, I'm just packing the color into that outer V of my eyes. And I'm blending it very light-handed. The next color is a much darker green, and as you can see, we are going in step by step. We are getting one shade darker in every steps, and in this shade we are applying that green, dark green color and just pressing it into that outer V. Now we are going back in with that teal color and blending out any of the harsh lines. Now going in with another color and applying it on the outer part of my eyeshadow to blend out any harsh lines. And then I'm going back in with that green color. So basically what I'm doing, I'm going back and forth with these 3 or 4 shades to intensify the colors, to bring that gradient effect, and that is what I'm doing here. Now I'm using a concealer to cut my crease in half because it's gonna be a half cut crease look. So I'm just cutting my crease in half and I'm just using a smaller eyeshadow brush to do this. Now I'm just going back in with this teal shade. This one is actually a shimmery teal shade and applying this all over the area where we applied that concealer. I'm not dragging it, I'm just doing this pressing motions. Pressing helps to get the most intensity out of your eyeshadows. Now I'm going back in with that darkest green shade, and as you can see the transition between the lighter and dark shades. So we are going to blend that harsh line out with this dark green color. Just go back in with those colors to get the intensity that you like. Now I'm applying this color on my lower lash line with a precise brush. And now for the best part, I'm using this Stila liquid eyeshadows. This is one of my favorite eyeshadows, and the best part is you don't need to wait for a long time for this to dry. It dries up really quickly. Now I'm using my Focallure eyeliner to do the lining. I'm also applying a kajal on my lower lash line. Going back in with that color again to intensify and to smudge out the kajal that I just applied. Smudging it out makes your eye look much bigger than it is. So we are done, and I have applied ardel lashes, and here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to give this a huge thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.